I am a nobody, but not just any nobody. I am one of over 750 nobodies trying to save America. My son died in the system. I would, I would, I am here today to try to make a difference, to see that this has not happened to other families that have children that are in the system now or in the future that will lose their son. As far as I'm concerned, the system and the government took my son's life on December the 30th, 2011, at age 17 and a half years old from a fatal drug overdose. See stories like mine and many others in Lawless of America, the movie.